Hello artists, today in this video I'll tell you how to create a logo using a brush. First select a pen tool and draw a straight line holding a shift because it doesn't change the position. Then hold alt and drag it so it makes a copy of it, and then click Ctrl plus T so it makes a number of copies for you. So I make a total number of 5 copies, just so I add some stroke in it and change the stroke size so it looks better. Now select all the strokes and adjust the anchor point as per your preference. So I am doing that. Just change your size using your arrow key so it do precisely. After doing some adjustment to anchor point, I have to make a cut on line. For that I'll use a pen tool where I add 3 anchor point, and selecting the middle anchor point I'll press the delete button. So the work is done nicely, and I'll keep going for the other line too. Select all the strokes and go to the object option where you will find expand. Just hit the expand and you have to make sure that the fill button is ticked, and now hit the OK button. Select those line and make a copy of it. So holding alt, and if you hold the shift so it doesn't change the position, and after doing that just hit the Ctrl plus T so it makes another copy of it at the same position. And now just group all of them. Now I am going to create a rectangle using a pen tool. After creating the rectangle, please select rectangle and the strokes. So we are going to merge them using a shape builder tool, or you can easily hit shift plus M key on your keyboard. After merging the rectangles and the strokes, now we have to delete the extra part which is on your right side. To delete this part, I am going to make a rectangle. After making the rectangle, I am going to select the both rectangle, and again using the shape builder tool I am going to cut those extra parts. So for that you need to press alt key where you can see a minus sign came. So just drag over those parts, and yeah, you have done. Now select the rectangle on your right side and just hit the delete button and you are done. Adjust the gaps between the strokes as per your preference. After doing that, follow the same procedure as we have done before. Using the direct selection tool, you can adjust the edges and the corners and make them round so it looks beautiful and good, and it also gives a brush like structure.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your
Using the
superhero?
direct selection tool, you can adjust the edges and the corners and make them round so it looks beautiful and good, and it also gives a brush like structure.
Can I be your superhero? Superhero, superhero, superhero. Fly up away. It's the first time of today. Today.
After doing adjustment, now go to the brush panel and select this brush and just drag it to the brush so it get easily added to the brush panel. When you are adding to the brush panel, you will get an option. You have to select the art brush and hit the OK. Now scale proportionally, and tints may you can use hue shift or whether you can change later on.
You're a superhero. Can I be your superhero?
After adding that brush to the brush panel, now I change my artboard to landscape mode, and now I'm creating a letter G using a pen tool. You can do that easily.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one.
Now just select that G letter and just apply that brush to the G, and yeah, it gives a nicely good effect to it, and you can create a number of logos in this way. If you want to know how I create my logo which is shown in a thumbnail, please subscribe my channel. I'll upload another video on this topic, and press the bell icon, you will get notified. I hope you like the video. Please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.